Hi, everybody. This is a Slim Jim, and there's a controversy over exactly what happens to a Slim Jim when it gets microwaved. So this video is gonna demonstrate what happens. Some people think that it's gonna kind of inflate a little bit and then explode, and other people think it's just gonna shrivel down and into even a more microwave Slim Jim rope-like appearance. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh! Ew! She was right. It inflated. Ew, look. It's actually bigger. It's sizzling. Can you hear it? You can see all the juice. She was right. My girlfriend was right. I can't believe it. It did actually inflate and explode. And I was wrong. I thought it was going to shrivel down and shrink. And there it is. And I'm going to now eat this because it looks delicious. Alright. Here we are, folks. As you can see, this is a regular Slim Jim, fresh out of the package. And this is the microwave. It looks like a cigar now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's... Look. Hard as a rock. You can actually... It's like crunchy. And I'm gonna eat it. Oh. Don't eat it. It's not good. But I'll eat this one.